Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters when you are searching for a hotel on the eDreams application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select your current location, and after it is loaded, you should click on the filter button in the middle of the screen, apply the budget filter, so select the price range, then you can select from these popular filters, then the health and safety filter can be applied, as well as facilities such as parking, restaurant, pets allowed, and so on. You can also include filters in terms of meals such as self-catering, breakfast included, breakfast and dinner included. Then you can set the property type that you prefer, such as bed and breakfast or guest house. Then you can also apply private bathrooms, room facilities, review score, fun things to do, number of beds and bed preferences. Then click on the show results button to check out the results according to your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.